Imagine making $50, $100, even $200 a day just by driving around your city, listening to music and driving food. Sounds simple, right? But here's the truth. Most people are doing it completely wrong. How to actually make real money with delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash, even if you are starting from zero. So I can divide section 1 to section 10. So first up is section 1. Why delivery apps are still one of the easiest ways to make money. Let's be real. Everyone wants to make money online, but not everyone wants to wait months or years to see results. That's where delivery apps come in. You don't need a degree, special skills, or even a big investment. If you have a car, bike, or even a scooter, a smartphone, and some free time, you are already eligible. And listen carefully, this is important. Delivery apps pay you immediately for effort. No waiting weeks, no guessing if it will work. Your delivery, you get paid. So our section 2 is how much can you actually earn. Let's break the fantasy and talk reality. On average in the USA, beginners $10 to $15 per hour, intermediate $15 to $25 per hour, smart delivers $25 into $40 per hour. Yes, some people hit $100 plus per day, even part time. For example, 4 hours into $20 per hour equal to $80 per day. 5 days a week, $400 per week. That's about $106,000 per month, and that's part time. Now imagine going full time or starting multiplication apps. So our section 3 is the biggest mistake most people make, most beginners think. That's exactly why they earn less. More people don't know this. Not all delivers are worth your time. Some delivers pay $3, take 30 to 30 minutes, burn gas, waste time. That's not income, that's loss. Smart delivery on accept high paying orders, short distance delivers, busy time request, and that's where the real money is. So our section 4 is best times to work. This change everything. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this: timing equal to money. Peak hours, lunch 11 a.m. into 2 p.m., dinner 5 p.m. into 9 p.m., weekends even better, rainy days jackpot, holidays huge demand. Listen carefully. When people are lazy, tired, or busy, that's when you get paid the most. So our section 5 is multiplication app strategy. Secret of top earners. Top earners don't rely on one app. They use Uber Eats, DoorDash, sometimes even other like Grubhub. Why? Because when one app is slow, another one is busy. This is called multi-appling. Example, Uber Eats give you a $6 order, DoorDash give you a $12. You pick the better one. Simple. More option equal to more money. So our section 3, so our section 6 is tips that can double your income. Alright, this is where things get interesting. These apps separated beginners from pros. Be selective. Don't accept low paying orders. Second is track your dollars per mile if you are earning less than $1 to $2 per mile. Number 3 is stay near busy restaurants, not empty areas. Number 4 is work during promotions. Apps often give bonus like complete 10 delivers, get extra $20. Number 5, customer service matters. Be polite, be fast. More tips equal to more money. Yes, tips can make a huge difference. Some delivers basic pay $5, tip $10. That's $15 for one order. Section 5, expense you should know. Let's keep in honest. This is not 100% profit. You have live, gas, car, maintain, phone data, but here's the good part: you can still keep a solid margin. Example, earn $100 per day, spend $20 on gas, you still keep $80 profit, and may delivers optimize this even better. So our section 8 is who is this best for. This works best if you are a student, something needing side income between jobs, or just want extra cash. You can do this for 2-3 hours per day. That alone can bring $500 to $1,000 per month. Now our section 9 is reality check. No false promise. Let's be honest for a second. This is not passive incomes, a get rich quick Sclemen, you have to drive, deliver, stay consistent. But this is one of the fastest ways to earn money immediately, and that's powerfully. So our last is section 10, growth strategy. Level up your income. Once you get comfortable, you can scale. Here's how: work peak hours only, earn more in less time, learn your city faster, delivers, stack orders smartly, double earnings. Some experienced delivers make 1000 to 2000 per week. Not easy, but possible with strategy, consistency plus call to action. So here's the truth: delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash are not just side hustles, they are real income opportunity if you don't them smartly. Start simple, learn the system, improve every day, and remember, most people fail not because it does not work, but because you don't work it properly. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor: hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment started if you are ready to begin. I will see you in the next video. So right now subscribe this channel and hit the like button.